It's a great day to be an aviator, and especially if you're in Lakeland, Florida today, because this is where the aviation action is happening. Sun and Fun, the 49th annual International Aviation Expo and Sun and Fun Air Show at Lakeland, Florida. So it's great to be here. I'm Ron Timmermans with the Florida Aviation Network, one of the many hosts today, and we're going to talk just a bit about the schedule for today. If you're watching us on video, live streaming, you're going to be in for some great interviews today. Later today, we're going to interview Mr. Colonel Louis Negron with the Civil Air Patrol. Following that, we'll have another Air Force officer from the NORAD, the North American Air Defense Command, Larry Langebroek, to learn more about weather, and then a special treat, an international guest, Major John Wogelmuth from the Royal Air Force, and some of the cadets that are here at Lakeland with him this week. Then this afternoon, we'll have an interview with Phil Lockwood from Lockwood Aviation down in Sebring. The president of the 99s, Robin Hadfield, will be here, and she'll be interviewed this afternoon, as will Marco Rusconi with Stallion 51, and a special show with John, codename Rain Waters. And so great agenda for today. We're going to have some very special guests, and you're going to learn some neat things and be introduced to some really nice people. But we also wanted to address and welcome our affiliates. So affiliate organizations are those who are viewing our broadcasts from remote locations. And so, for instance, today at Jacksonville, Bill Stuhl and Joel Wiener are friends of ours, and they're in the Jacksonville area with the Civil Air Patrol, one of our affiliates. So welcome all of you folks at Jacksonville. Terry Kurtz from South Lakeland, she normally hosts an affiliate viewing, but Terry is in our studio today and one of the hard workers here at Florida Aviation Network. Glenn Sims, also in Lakeland with the Civil Air Patrol, hosting a group today. And Paul Adrian and John Weber from Leesburg, EA Chapter 534, they have an affiliate organization up there. I'd like to introduce you now to one of my co-hosts and a good friend, Tweet Coleman, who's going to tell us some more about our Florida Aviation Network affiliates. Tweet, welcome.
Yeah, thank you, Ron, and welcome everybody. Barbara Phillips in Orlando, she's with the EAA Chapter 74 as an affiliate. Robert Jex in Orlando with the Orlando Flight Standards District Office, or fondly known as the FSDO, is with the affiliate. Vicki Sherman in Ormond Beach is with Civil Air Patrol. And Keith Phillips in Spruce Creek, he is with the EAA Chapter 288, and they're also affiliates.
Very good. And in Titusville, Deborah Van Trunen, and she's with the EA Chapter 866 in Titusville. Brenna Wright in Sanford. Brenna is part of the Naval Air Station Sanford Information Headquarters, and she hosts a group there to watch the shows. Bill McClung in Tampa with the National Aviation Safety Foundation, and also a member of the Florida Aviation Network. Bill McClung is one of our board of directors folks there. He normally hosts a group in the Tampa area. And Michael Minner in Tampa, also with the Tampa FSDO. So thank you for joining us today and watching. We appreciate all of the affiliates. Tweet, who else do we have?
Right, we have affiliates not only in Florida, but elsewhere. We have Dennis Hayes in Fort Myers, and he's with the EAA. William Billy Hathaway in Birmingham with the Birmingham FSDO is with us. Sam Gross from the Tampa FAST team, and Barry Simmons in Inverness. He's with the EAA Chapter 1674, and Barry is also the president of the EAA there in Inverness.
Very good. And you and I were talking earlier this morning, Tweet, about Inverness. It's an airport that I fly to frequently with clients.
Great.
I do a lot of instrument training and VFR training at Inverness. It's a great, quiet little airport. Most of the time it's quiet. Occasionally I'm there with another client, and all of a sudden everyone else seems to come as well. It's a good airport.
Oh, good.
Good approaches and nice staff there as well. But we have at Live Oak, which is up north of Ocala, I guess, Tommy Diedemann and the EA Chapter 797 at Live Oak. Thank you for joining us as one of our affiliates. John Licardi and Michael Ketchpaw at Fort Pierce, EA Chapter 908. So thank you for joining us today. It's good to have you aboard, and I hope you'll get something out of the presentations today. Way up in South Carolina, there's a special grass strip called Triple Tree Aerodrome. So if you haven't ever been there, that's a great place to go visit sometime. A beautiful, beautiful facility. And Rob Williams is one of our affiliate leaders there, and he often hosts a group at the Triple Tree Aerodrome. So thank you, Rob, and all those who you may be watching for us today. And finally, in Orlando, Laura Spolar with Florida Women in Aviation, so also welcoming a group. So it's good to have all of you watching today, our affiliates and people interested in Florida Aviation Network and all that we have to offer. It's a great place to be today, Tweet, at Lakeland, Florida. I'm looking forward to the show. What do you think so far?
Yeah, great so far. And actually, it's 82 degrees, I think, already out there, nice and sunny and not a cloud in the sky. So it's a great day to be in Lakeland, Florida.
Yeah, as long as you got some sunscreen, you'll do just fine here at Lakeland today. So if you're on your way to Lakeland today to the air show and all of the Sun and Fun activities, we will welcome you and glad to see you here. And if you can't make it, well, make plans to come here next year if you can, and watch the interviews that we do today. Tweet will be doing some interviews this afternoon. I'll be doing some this morning. So we got a great list of folks on deck here for the interviews today. So please come back, stay tuned, and come back later for some of the interviews. Tweet Coleman, Ron Timmermans with the Florida Aviation Network. Thank you for watching.